Namaste students, myself Dr. Kundan Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Akat Tantra एवं विधि वैद्य का ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Students, we are studying the new topic in the forensic medicine and toxicology, that is contusion and PM lividity difference in the today's lecture. Okay. First of all, what is contusion? Contusion, definition of contusion is the hemorrhage into the skin, the subcutaneous tissue or deeper tissue. It is due to the infiltration of extra vegetation of the blood into the tissue, following the rupture of small vessels due to hard and blunt object. The examples are stick, stone, and kick. Then this is contusion occurs. Okay, this is called as neel or ghumra in Hindi. Okay, this is the layer of skin. Here the fat cells, subcutaneous tissue, dermis, melanocyte. These are tissues, and also the epidermis. Uh, these are the subcutaneous glands, which are also called as oil glands. Here the hair follicles are present, and these are nerves. Also the eccrina sweat glands also the present in the layer of skin. Also the hair follicles. These are the hair follicles are present in the layer of skin. Then after type of contusion. These are intradermal contusion or subcutaneous contusion or deep contusion. Then after the superficial or intradermal contusion. These are immediately after the impact due to the accumulation of fluid blood subcutaneously. Also the impact from the patterned object, which leads to the superficial or intradermal contusion. Then subcutaneous contusion due to the subcutaneous impact. Here the blood at the edges and raise above the skin, which is called infiltration. Then it may be varied in size, that is from pinpoint to hematoma. Then deep contusion or subcutaneous contusion. These are bleeding deeper to the subcutaneous tissue. It may take hour or 1 to 2 days to appear at the surface. Pattern due to the compression of body part. Some imprint of the object may be removed. This type of the contusion, which is present in the eye. Okay, this type of contusion present in eye. Then after, some deeper contusions on viscera may as follows. First is contusion in brain. This is contusion in brain. Okay. Then after, the contusion in liver. This type of image seen in the contusion of liver. Okay. Then characteristics. It may be present in external surface of the body or on the internal viscera, which is known as ecchymosis. Then site of bruise or contusion may be site of impact or away from the site due to gravity, shifting of blood, known as ectopic bruise, which is present at the another site. Okay, due to gravity, the shifting of the contusion due to gravity, okay, shows that the another site of that appears appearance of the bruise. A deep contusion may become visible externally after 1 to 3 days. At times known as come out bruise or delayed bruise. Okay, these bruise are appears later after the injury. A deep contusion may become visible externally only after death. These are Pillsbury phenomena. Then after the post-mortem lividity, which is also called as liver mortis or cadaveric lividity or hypostasis or flagellation. The definition is post-mortem lividity means discoloration of skin and organs after the death due to the accumulation of fluid blood in the toneless capillaries and small vein of the dependent body part. Time required for the post-mortem lividity. Okay, this is time required for post-mortem lividity. For appearance of small patches, it requires about 1 to 2 hours in normal, while 1 to 4 hours in the anemic patient, while well-marked PM lividity takes 4 hours for appearance. Then flag fixation of PM lividity takes in 6 to 8 hours. Okay, these are PM lividity. Okay, these are PM lividity. These are PM lividity. Okay, due to the accumulation of fluid blood. Here the toneless capillaries are present and small veins also present. Okay, these are the dependent part. Okay, site of PM lividity. These are the sites of PM lividity. When the posture is supine, it is present on neck, entire back side of neck. When lying on one side, it will be blood will settle on that side. When there is a hanging of body seen on all around the distal half of the upper and lower limb, it shows the gloves and stocking lividity. Then drowning in the head and upper part, which is heavier, shows the PM lividity. Okay, at the upper body part. Then after the color and intensity of lividity. Color. Color is bluish purple when the body is normally in supine position. It is green red in color due to hydrogen sulfide produced by decaying of the organic matter. Dark brown color of PM lividity shows in phosphorus poisoning. Brownish red color of PM lividity shows in poisoning with methanoglobin forming substance. Then pale pink of color of PM lividity produced in blood loss, severe anemia, severe hemorrhage. Then cherry red PM lividity produced in carbon monoxide poisoning and death due to the burning. While bright red PM lividity produced in cyanide poisoning, purple PM lividity is produced in asphyxia. Chocolate brown PM lividity produced in chlorate poisoning. Red brown PM lividity produced in nitrate poisoning. Black PM lividity is present in opiates poisoning, while grayish brown PM lividity produced in death due to the septic abortion due to the Clostridium perfringens. Then postmortem lividity of internal organs. In dead body lying on back, it will be evident in the posterior portion of cerebral lobes, cerebellum, posterior surface of heart, lung, spleen, larynx, stomach, and intestine. Hypostasis in heart may be mistaken for myocardial infarction. Hypostasis in the lung may be resemble pneumonic consolidation. Okay. This type of the consolidation seen in this type of lividity. Then difference between postmortem lividity and contusion. Due to the ruptured vessel, either superficial or deep, it leads to contusion. While due to engorged vessel, showing through the skin, leads to the PM lividity. It is there is situated at any position or anywhere of the contusion. Okay, while the postmortem lividity is present on the dependent part and the front and side of neck in the supine position. The contusion shows the margins irregular, not horizontal. While postmortem lividity, there is margins clearly defined, usually horizontal. Contusion may be variegated in color, while postmortem lividity is uniform in color. Swelling is present in contusion, while there is not any chances of swelling in post-mortem lividity due to the mortal condition of the body. Then in PM lividity, there is not superimposed abrasion, while superimposed abrasion present in the contusion. Contusion, whenever an incision shows the extravasated blood staining, the blood surrounding the tissue which cannot be easily washed away. While in PM lividity, incision shows the fluid oozing points at the site of severed capillaries. this blood can be easily washed away. Microscopically, contusion. In contusion, blood elements are found outside the blood vessel, and there may be evidence of acute inflammation. While in the PM-negative, microscopically, blood elements are found within the blood vessel, and there is no evidence of inflammation. This way we complete the topic of difference between the PM lividity and contusion. Uh, Thank you, students.